Elk Creek Falls in north-central Idaho and Palouse Falls in southeastern Washington can be viewed in a single, long day or split between 2 days for a more leisure experience. There are 2 primary driving routes between them, with gas, food, and lodging along the way. Each path takes approximately 3 hours and 145 miles to traverse. Elk Creek Falls consists of 3 separate waterfalls: the upper, the middle, and the lower, totaling over 140 feet tall. Cedars and ferns punctuate the roller coaster-like 3-mile-long trail that winds through a well-shaded, mature coniferous forest. It leads to the steep, open grassy hillsides which embrace the waterfalls. Except for the sounds of footsteps, an occasional robin, and the droning echoes of the distant waterfalls, it can be surprisingly quiet here. Lava flows built the surrounding terrain millions of years ago. Elk Creek's flows, though sparse at times, continue to carve through the ancient columnar basaltic formations today. The lower waterfall, at 50 feet tall, is my personal favorite of the 3. An old wagon road serves as a portion of the well-maintained hiking trail. The 625-foot elevation change between the parking area and the lower waterfall is mediated by several benches along the trail. Interpretive signs explain the geology and historic sites. The middle waterfall is the tallest in Idaho at 70 feet. This is a popular location where leashed dogs can take their human companions for a walk. The suggested time budget is 1.5 to 3 hours spent at the falls, along the trail, and photographing the scenery. The Elk Creek Falls access is managed by the Clearwater National Forest and is free of charge. Check their website for more information. The Palouse River carved through these ancient lava flows more than 13,000 years ago. It is among the last active waterfalls on the Ice Age floods path, a direct descendant of the Missoula floods. This 200-foot tall natural wonder was named Washington State's waterfall in 2014. Palouse Falls State Park is advertised as a viewing destination, not a hiking or swimming destination. Unlike the lengthy, shaded trail leading to Elk Creek Falls, visitors can park within a few hundred feet of 3 distinct, unshaded viewpoints of the Palouse waterfall. The Palouse Falls Overlook Trail is 0.2 of a mile long and has an elevation change of 72 feet. The surrounding terrain is dominated by basaltic rocks with open sagebrush and grass-covered hills, canyons, and valleys. Yellow-bellied marmots, or rock chucks, are a secondary attraction. These are large, stout-bodied ground squirrels. They venture out of their burrows during the cooler parts of the day and tolerate the visitor's attention well. These ledge dwellers reside at one of the most picturesque locations in the Pacific Northwest. However, there is a high price for living on such lofty real estate. The risk of plummeting off the cliff edge to the canyon bottom 377 feet below, either by a misstep or by a hungry raven, is always present. Fortunately, I witnessed neither during my visit. Visitors should be alert for rattlesnakes and stay on designated trails. The suggested time budget is 1 to 2 hours. Palouse Falls State Park is managed by Washington State Parks. A daily or season Discover Pass is required. Parking is restricted and limited. Check their website for more information. So, you may be wondering, you didn't show the Upper Elk Creek waterfall. And what about the other Palouse waterfall overlooks? To that, I reply, by only showing 2 out of 3 sites at each location, I hope you will be curious and motivated to venture out to see these amazing sights for yourself.